Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do palpatine with the 10-meter train. Now 3-4 is usually a guaranteed if you play it correctly and slap your strongest speed mods on Tron. Alright, I'll show you why. So oops, 1, 2, 3. These 4 are the staple tunes. The 5th slot, depending on what you have, I use Nihilus here because that's the best I have. Now the other 2 that are good is either Bastilla Fallen or you have Treya or Scion or whichever. But Nihilus does the trick to go to 4-4. If you have any other filler tunes that can cause a debuff in place of Nihilus, usually you get a 3 out of 4 if you play correctly. Now let's go. So in the first instance, Tron will go first because he slapped the fastest mods on him. Give it to Tarkin. If you have Fallen, you can give it to Fallen for the fear. Give the debuff. And rain down. Okay, cause more debuff. Look for the numbers 5, 6, 6. I want a sharpshooter to go. So, reduce the cooldown. That's the other good thing about Nihilus. Stun them. Okay, only 2 stun. Now you want to fracture. Who you want to fracture? I will fracture the one that can taunt. I can't remember right now. Let's fracture the sharpshooter. Yes. And let's kill him off. So that my trunk can move again. Ability block. Ability block counts as a debuff. Okay, now look for offense down if you have any. No one with offense down, so just whack. Because the offense down can potentially. Okay, give ability block because it's another debuff. Okay, now give 10 meter. Who you want to give? Give it to Tron. Give it to Nihilus. Hopefully he can annihilate. Nope. No defense down. Wait. Okay, debuff again. It's okay. Fracture, clone captain. Ability block he doesn't have. Freeze. Okay, now annihilate. Who? Annihilate the sharpshooter. Reduce. See the 10 meter train. And 666. Let's kill him off. Now I'm sandbagging to reduce the cooldowns so that by the next time I will have a go straight away with all my cooldowns reduced. Since he's stunned anyway, slowly pick him off. Okay, see most of. So now at 2-4, depending on what you have, there will be good planning. Okay, debuff. Rain, nope. Give it to. I can't remember. Reduce cooldown, which is important. Debuff again. Look at the numbers above. 7557. So rain. Don't kill off first. You'll be wondering why I don't kill off, because there'll be more people to get debuffs. So now who do I want to kill off? Surgeon, sharpshooter. Sharpshooter goes. Okay. Ability block. Bum. No one with defense down is okay. Okay. Who was it? Let's give it to Vader. See the debuffs of the 11, 10, 10. The 11 one will give me maximum turn meter. Let's reduce cooldown. Oh. Boom, boom. Let's send back again. Okay. So now you don't want sharpshooter to go the ability block. Oop, cannot. Try and stun. One stun. You want I don't know. Okay, debuff again. Rain. Reduce cooldown. Okay, this is a very interesting part, because Nihilus now is neither here nor there. Look at the number of debuffs, 6777. Okay, annihilate the sharpshooter. Tron, I will give Nihilus again. Ew, what's wrong with this? And okay. Debuff. Ability block. Reduce cooldown. And hopefully it'll be ready right at the beginning of phase 4. Fracture. Stun. Rain. Ability block. He's going next. Don't send back as yet. Okay, he got 10. Debuff. Kill. That's good. Why do I give turn meter to... Okay, now let's see. Palpatine. I need to restore his protection so that he survives the next onslaught. Now this is very important going to 3-4, going to 4-4, because you want to get, if you can, annihilate straight away. Okay, Nihilus turn is almost full. Let's see whether we can do this. Shakti. Yes, so annihilate straight. That's the planning. Go. And an Arc Trooper, Clone Captain, Medic. That's... Who was the one who gives that brick? Let's say Arc Trooper, I don't know. Let's fracture Arc Trooper. Oh, starting. Oh, I might die. That's bad. Clone Captain is the one that I should whack first next time. Okay, debuff. Give me turn meter. Oh no. Oh, okay, debuff. Yeah. Stun please. One stun. Ability block the next person. Let's heal. Who's next? Chop. That's one debuff. Okay, who you annihilate? The person that can taunt. Medic. Sergeant. The one that can heal. Fuck you. Let's fracture the medic. No. Let's fracture the healer. Oh. Oh. Okay, reduce cooldown. Let's see whether I can survive this or not. Come on. Nihilus, come on. Okay, stop. Ooh, the brick. Okay, reduce cooldown. Yes. Aiyo, ability block. Aiyo, ability block again. So it was Luminara that I should have whacked first. Aiyo. Yes. Please survive, please survive. Please survive. Oh no. Okay. Anyway, that was the gist of it. I got unlucky. I should have taken Lumina on delivery because he got ability block. Anyway, that's how you get the 3-4, potentially 4-4, okay? With the turn meter train. Thank you very much. Bye bye.